Hey everyone, it is Nancy Ann, and today's unboxing and try-on is going to be a fun one. We are doing Goo Goo Hair Extensions. Thank you so much for being here and for watching my review of Goo Goo Hair Extensions. I'm excited about this one. I saw Donna at Tips and Tales do a review of this after they had written me and asked me if I would do it, and I told them no, because I didn't think this was something I would use in my regular everyday life. But when Donna did hers, it was so good. Down in the comments, I said, maybe I should have looked into them a little further before I told them no. And they resent me the invitation to review their product for them, and they mailed their product out to me. And I'm excited and a little bit nervous to be doing this, but this ought to be fun. One way I thought this product could help me is my hairdresser and I have been talking about, as I'm getting older, as with most women, when they start getting to like their 50s and beyond, my hair is getting thinner. It's still not thin. I have thick hair, but around the bottom of my head, and this makes it frustrating for me in having thick hair through the bottom, still being able to have layers. So we've been doing some tricks with my hairstyle, but if I can clip in some hair extensions every once in a while to help fill that out and give it a more lush look, that would be awesome. So I want to tell you just a little bit about Goo Goo Hair Extensions. I'm going to work off my phone here to do this. Their motto is changeable life at your fingertips. And on their website, it says Goo Goo Hair is dedicated to the development of the high quality hair extensions. We have our own brand, factory, and warehouse in the United States with more than 20 years of hair extensions. We are so excited to provide you with the highest quality human hair extensions to make your hair dreams come true, giving you a gorgeous, natural look. So this is what they come in. It was to me very quickly. I thought it would be coming in from overseas. No, because it's made in the United States. Really, it was here in just a couple of days. Really fast shipping. In here is the 150-gram clip-in hair extensions, the 18-inch length. They go anywhere from 14 and way longer. I can't remember, but I know I saw at least a 24-inch in there. The color is chocolate brown, and that's number 4. I messaged them with a picture of me, and I said, I'm not really sure what to choose, and they helped me out. So they will help you out, and they have resources on their website to help you choose the right ones for you. She recommended 18-inch. Apparently that's going to help my hair look a little bit longer. If there are shorter pieces in here, I would imagine I would use those for the filling out of the bottom if I don't want to use any length, but we'll find out as we go. Alrighty. Oh, yes, and use the discount code Nancy10, all caps, down below. I'll have my husband put it underneath this. That'll save you 10%, which is a really good savings because these hair extensions are $130.99. So 10% off is going to save you just over $13, which is really a pretty nice and a very generous, pretty generous discount, I think. Alrighty, are we ready to get into the actual box? Enough talking already. So again, it comes like this. Real pretty packaging. I'm sorry, my ring light's really making some glare. Can I move it around? It's beautiful packaging. I'm gonna open up the little tab on the side here. And my camera's right here, and I'm going to need to look in it so I can see what I'm doing probably with these extensions. It was so fun to watch Donna's reaction on her. She kind of has thin hair all over. She was wowed and amazed. If you get a chance, go over it. If I can find it, I will link that video down below so you can watch hers too. It was very cute. Oh, there's 2 of those little tabs on the side. And these came, of course, mailed in a polyurethane mailer. And I'm going to have all the information down below about these and how you can get a hold of them and the discount code and all that good stuff. So here we go. This is what it looks like when you open it. And there we go. So those are the hair extensions on the top. Changeable life at your fingertips on the inside. So there's the extensions. I'll get into those in a minute. Wow, there's some weight to them. I have to wonder, is 150 grams, is that what they weigh all together? And 120, the hair extensions themselves just aren't quite as heavy? Not sure. There's a little bag to store them in. Goo Goo Hair Extensions. And down in here we've got This is cute. They've got false eyelashes. This is not something I need nor would wear, but I'm gonna put these, I think, in my giveaway box for when we reach 1,000 subscribers. That's gonna have a bunch of fun stuff in it. A really nice little scrunchie. I don't wear scrunchies very often because I don't have ones that are very nice. So this, for me, this is going to be fun. And also, my hairstylist, I just had my hair cut yesterday. I was telling her I was going to do this. And she said hair extensions work really great to build out a ponytail. So that's another idea. I could put it in the scrunchie and add some hair extensions maybe. And then there is a clip. I'm assuming this is to hold my hair up, perhaps. There'll be instructions in here. A lifetime hair accessories replacement guarantee. And it has listed what's in here, so that there's a guarantee on these. These will last a long, long time. And then we've got, it looks like, is this instructions? Yes. You guys, I have been reading through this little book. There is so much information in here. So let me read from the front page. They are given detailed use and maintenance of the product in the manual so that it will hold up for as long as possible. And you can contact their after sales department if you encounter any kinds of problems. And they actually want you to contact them because they want this to work out for you. This is great. And there's a lot of good information in here. So I'm going to follow these instructions. I'll get a closer look at them in a minute, but I thought maybe we would take the hair extensions out together. They're in this little bag. Let's see how this looks. I'm going to be careful. There is something. Oh, these are the little clips, I guess. There's just 2 of them. There's got to be more in here, right? And let's see what's in here. It's in there kind of tight. I don't want to tangle anything. There we go. There's a little mesh bag around them. There we go. So those were 2 additional clips, but it looks like there are clips. Oh, this is the color I wish my hair really was. Everybody thinks my hair is dark brown. It's actually a medium, but since hair underneath is normally pretty dark, this should be fine. But it looks like there are little clips at the very end, so let's take off the little rubber bands that are holding this. Alrighty, got the rubber bands off. What do we have here? Alright, oh, I thought it would be individual pieces. We do this without tangling. Oh, that came right out. So this is actually, the clips are on the back. And this is actually all kind of in one big thing. It's stitched together. So there's one. Let's see what else we got. So this one is not as long as the first one. And they were saying that there's so many of each size. I think there was one 8-inch. So this one is shorter in width than that one. So got that. Alrighty, and they're all the same length, it looks like. Trying not to tangle them. Another of the shorter ones. This one is a little bit narrower than the one before. I'm putting them all down here in an orderly fashion. A little bit narrower yet, so we're just getting progressively shorter. Shorter yet. So it looks like we have 3 of this width right here with 2 clips on the back of each one. And then we have 2 of the single clip. All right, it took me a minute to figure out how to put the clips on. So this is what the clips look like closed. You see they're flat against there. And then here is what they look like opened. Can you see how that's, oh, let me get you in front of the camera. So that's just opened a little bit. It lifts up slightly. So now we're going to get to actually trying to put this in my hair. All right, let me see if I can separate some hair. They said you could use your finger or a comb. Get it smooth back there like this, a little bit of hair up. I really am a novice. I've never done this before, so I'm using the little clip that they gave me to hold my hair up here. And now I'm going to try and put this in. Okay, here we go. I'm going to push the little clips down. Okay, let's bring this around front. Ooh, that's very long. That's vixen length right there. I used to have hair down to my waist, up through my early 30s. Okay, so for right now, that's a little long. So let's keep going and see how this looks as we go. You can also have them cut to be shorter. And that's probably what I would do, is have my hairdresser trim them for me so that it would thicken up the bottom of my hair without really lengthening them. And I am hoping I am getting this right. One more question that's going to answer for me is, if over the age of 50 you really shouldn't have long hair anymore. So I think I'm going to take these. I've got two this width, and I'm going to put one on each side. Okay, here we go. All right, second side. All right, second layer's in. Let's see how it looks with my hair down. What do we think? Well, the color's good, but there's definitely a big difference in the length here. I was hoping it would blend. I think if it was down here, we'd be a little bit better. Okay, let's do another layer and see if we can soften this up a little bit. Ah, okay, so now I'm seeing it's blending in with those shorter hair because it's overlaying it, and we're getting a longer look. Wow. Needs to blend in the back a little bit, I see. But I see where we're getting somewhere here. Comb this, and they actually feel pretty secure in my hair. All right, let's go a little bit more. I used 3 of this width around, one on each side and one in the back. So now I'm going to do another layer, and I'm going to put this one in the back and the two last smaller ones in the front, and we'll see what the final look is like. Okay, here we go with the bigger one towards the top. They're actually really easy to put in. I bent the clip backwards to open it, figured that out about halfway through, and then you just bend it back frontwards to clip it. So then I just go like this, bam, to get it out instead of forcing it with your finger. Lesson for you. I'm keeping this one back from kind of those shorter pieces. I like to frame my face in the front. That was the final piece. Let's let it all down and see what we think. Yep. Hey. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I have so much hair. I took a little bit of time to fuss with the hair and kind of make it work a little bit better with mine. I do think the ends could be graduated a little more to make it look layered all across the bottom. My hairdresser could do that for me. All of the hair extensions are the same length. They're all 18 inches, but I can see where she could trim those quite easily. And hi, Colleen, if you're watching this. Do you want to see from the back? So here we go. I did my best to arrange them. I haven't looked in a mirror, but that's pretty long. So there's what I look like. with long hair. Oh, this is so much fun. This company was started by a couple of men, and one of them, his mom, was losing her hair because I think she got sick, and so he got interested in hair extensions and did it to answer a need for her and wound up with a whole company. I think that's really, really cool. I want to thank Goo Goo Hair Extensions for sending me these extensions and allowing me to do a product review for you. I am impressed with the product. I will say I think that they would hold a little better towards the end. I was saving some time and I wasn't back combing up here towards the top, and those are slipping a little bit, but the ones at the bottom are holding very firm. So, and I took some time to go out and talk to my husband and show them to him and get his take. He thinks the long hair looks really good. So I would definitely back comb a little bit before I put any of them in, but otherwise they don't feel uncomfortable. I can tell I have clips in my hair, but it's not heavy. It's not irritating in any way. You want to see what it looks like from the front? So there we go. Yeah, see, it could be blended a little more, I think, if it was in graduated layers down here. But what a great baseline to start from, huh? Good company with good product, and looks like they have good customer service, and they even have a guarantee on their product. Yeah, replacement guarantee. So can't beat that. Thank you very much for taking the time to do this really fun unboxing with me. If you liked the video, you could give it a quick like. If you enjoy, obviously, all kinds of unboxings, I would be absolutely honored if you would subscribe, and if you could leave a comment down below. I think the comments in this one are going to be particularly fun. I would just love to hear what you had to say, and I always respond to all my comments. Okay, that is it. We will see you on the next unboxing. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Thank you very much for watching. If you get a second and you think that you would like to, please hit the like button. I'm sorry, I'm so flabbergasted by my hair right now. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Hey, honey.
Yeah.
Honey.
I like it.
Yeah, your wife has very long hair. What do you think?
Pretty good.
You think it makes me look old? The length? No?
Looks okay to me.
Looks
It's
okay.
a different color. It's more reddish.
Now I got to get these out. I have one tangled in my hair.